This is the Belgian Blue Waterstone. I did an earlier video on this stone showing you how to sharpen your blade, but I wanted to show you a closer look at it, and maybe at this camera angle it might help you a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is, I got a water bottle here. Now you don't need a water bottle, you can just splash water on the top of this stone. You don't have to soak it or anything like that. And let's see if you can see now. In the earlier video I put something under the stone to keep it from sliding. Well, I'm out here outside and I got it on top of a big old stump, on top of a smaller stump, so I could get this angle in the camera. So I'm not putting anything under the base of the stone. I'm just going to hold it like this. Now I wouldn't recommend doing that if you're not used to sharpening, because you can easily cut your fingers. So I'm going to take this blade here and just show you the angles that I'm using. Okay, switch the camera angle so you can see the angle of the blade and the other side of the sharpening of the blade. Just see the edge. Well, this knife wasn't really all that dull. I just wanted to show you a different camera angle with this stone. I'll get something here in a minute and cut it up. Okay, I found some old tomatoes here. We'll give them a little slicing up here and see. You can see it's good and sharp. Little tiny one.